Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice bowls. First, understand that a rice bowl is a versatile, customizable meal built around a base of cooked rice. It typically includes a protein, various vegetables, and a flavorful sauce, offering a complete and balanced meal in one convenient bowl. The beauty of a rice bowl is its adaptability, allowing you to use ingredients you already have on hand or explore new flavor combinations. Let's start with the foundation. Next, let's select your base and protein. For the base, choose your favorite rice, whether it's fluffy white, nutty brown, or aromatic jasmine cooked to perfection. Then, pick a protein. Options like grilled chicken, seared beef, crispy tofu, or sautéed shrimp work wonderfully. Prepare about 4 to 6 ounces of cooked protein per serving to ensure a satisfying meal. This combination forms the hearty core of your delicious rice bowl. Now, it's time to add some vibrant vegetables and a delicious sauce. Incorporate a variety of fresh or cooked vegetables for both color and essential nutrients. Think about roasted broccoli, crisp snap peas, sautéed bell peppers, or shredded carrots. These add texture and flavor. Finally, drizzle your bowl with a complementary sauce, such as a savory teriyaki, a creamy peanut sauce, or a zesty citrus vinaigrette. This brings all the flavors together. To assemble your rice bowl, start by layering the cooked rice at the bottom, then add your prepared protein, followed by your colorful vegetables. Finish with any desired garnishes, such as toasted sesame seeds, fresh cilantro, or even a perfectly fried egg for an extra touch. The beauty is in customizing it to your taste. And speaking of fresh, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling amazing. Enjoy creating your perfect, personalized rice bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.